Hey Jazzy Squad, welcome to another 15-minute Jazz It Up. I'm Jazz, and today we're going to be focusing on flexibility and total body. And this workout is for seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. No equipment is needed besides a mat or a nice comfortable spot on the floor. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, team, let's get a quick warm up going and we'll get started. So we're just gonna get that nice little torso twist with that high knee. Okay, take your time with this. If you need a chair or need to hold onto the wall to do those high knees, not a problem. All right, so you're gonna go right knee to that left elbow, left knee to that right elbow, and just take your time with this. Okay, warming up the legs here, warming up our torso, warming up our core. Okay, nice easy warm up that you can do standing up, or if you need that wall, okay, you can just get a nice little twist, hold onto the wall, twist, hold onto that wall, okay? If the twist is too much, you literally can just do that high knee for me, okay? All right, team, nice and steady. So nice little total body warm up so we can get that total body and flexibility going for these 15 minutes, all right? All right, like I said in the intro, this class is for seniors, but all fitness levels are always welcome to join the Jazz It Up classes. All right, team, beautiful job. Okay, snag those mats, snag those yoga mats, all right? And like I said, we're just gonna be using our mats today, nothing else, just our beautiful bodies, beautiful selves, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get that nice little chair pose going, transitioning into that warrior one on each side, okay? So I want everybody to get to the top of their mats, all right? Get those feet as close as you can together, all right? Bend those knees down, kick that booty out, get as low as you can without, don't just get as low as you can and just get those arms up, okay? Ready, 3, 2, 1, everybody up and hold. And just hold this right here. Okay, even if you just bend those knees just slightly, that's fine, okay? Just try your best to keep those arms up the whole time. Keep that chest up, chin up, and just hold this right here. Beautiful. Come on up, let's take a breather. We're gonna do that one more time. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out, beauties. All right, get into that chair pose, arms up, head up, let's go. Looking great, squad. Yeah, we're doing flexibility total body day. We're getting a lot of yoga in, okay? With a little bit of jazz, safe jazz flared ups. All right, come on up, take a breather, good job. I want you all now to take a step back with your right leg, get into that nice little half lunge or a full lunge if you want that extra challenge, okay? Get into that warrior one, arms up. Chest strong, facing straight out. Find the focal point, focus on that focal point and hold that. Good, step forward. Bring those arms down, okay? Now we're gonna step back with that left leg, okay? Get into that low lunge or that half lunge, arms up and hold. Stable. If you need to hold on to something, please do, but just try to hold that low lunge. Good, step forward. Great job. We're gonna do that one more time each side. Okay, step back with that right leg. Get nice and low, or as low as you can. Arms up, high. Let's go, beauties. Steady breathing here. Steady breathing, let's go. Step forward, arms down, great job. Last one right here. Step back, low into that lunge. Or as low as you can go, arms up, chin up, head up, let's go. Great job, beauties, great job. All right, and take a breather. Wiggle those legs out, wiggle those arms out, great job, okay? As you can see, we're gonna get that push up to the upward plank, nice and wide, and then we're gonna transition to those child's pose, to that child's pose on my calls. All right, beauties, so bring it down to the mat. All right, we're gonna get that nice wide push-up going, okay? If you need to do this with the knees down, please do. If you can't do the push-up, just hold the plank for me. Just hold the plank, not a problem. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Everybody up. Give me that one push-up. And now hold the plank. Hold that plank, team. Great job. Good. And then put those knees down, transition into that child's pose, and just hold that child's pose for me. Big reach forward. Try to touch your butt to the back of your heels here. Big reach forward. Get that nice elongation in that back. All right, bring it back up. Nice wide plank position. Everybody up. Give me one push-up. Hold. Abs tight, booty tight. Abs tight, booty tight. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good. Knees down, child's pose. Let's go. Big stretch out. Get that nice stretch in that back there. Big reach out. Beautiful yoga day. Beautiful total body flexibility day. Let's get it. All right, team. Beautiful. Come on up. Let's do that one more time. Everybody up. Push-up position. Hold that plank. Give me one push-up right here. Hold that. Hold that plank. Beautiful. Beautiful. Abs tight, booty tight. Let's go. All right, knees down, child's pose. Let's get it. Great job, squad. Great job. Excelente. Excelente. If you don't know what that means excellent in Espanol. And I'm sure you can gather that. Y'all are smarty pants. Great job. All right, team, beautiful. All right, carefully come on up. All right, and then we're gonna get those lunge flies going, okay? So you can either do this with your knees up or that back knee down or that back knee up. But if you want that extra challenge, try to get that knee, keep that knee up. All right, team, so we're gonna get to the top of the mat. All right, step back with that left leg. All right, get low into that lunge. Try your best to get that hand down on that inside of that right foot, that left hand on the inside of that right foot, and then just open it up nice and steady. And hold that. Again, you can put your knee down for this, or have that knee up. Just right above the floor. Very good. Center yourself. Rotate that torso down to the floor. Step back forward. Beautiful. All right, step back with that right leg. Let's do the opposite side now. Nice and low into that lunge. Right hand down on the inside of that left foot. Open up to that left side. Nice and steady. Great job. Great job. Good. Rotate it back. Awesome. Step forward. Beautiful. Wiggle it out. This one's a toughie. You guys are doing a great job. All right, step back with that left leg. Get low into that lunge. Left hand down. Open up to that right side and hold. Beautiful job. Doing a great job, team. Excellent. Good. Bring it, rotate it back. Center yourself down. Stand on up. Good job. All right, let's do it one more time on the opposite side. Step back with that right leg. Get down low into that lunge, knee up or knee down, and open it up to that left side. Woo! Flexibility is going strong today, team. Great job. Let's go. All right, center yourself back. Good, and take a breather. Get some water if you need it. Let's get back to the top. Okay, we're gonna get that nice chair pose. Okay, transitioning into that warrior one. All right, squad, top of the mat. Wiggle that out. Let's take a deep breath in here together. Big inhale. Exhale out. Let's get it. All right, chair pose first. Get as low as you can in that chair. Feet close together. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bend those knees. Keep that booty low. Arms up. Let's go. Hold that. Hold that, squad. Nice and low in that chair pose. Let's get it. Let's get it. Arms up high. Reach, reach, reach. Working on that reach. Working on that flexibility. Let's go. Good. Stand on up. Look at those legs out. Great job. Okay. Let's do that again. One more time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Get down low. Let's get it. Low chair. Arms up. Let's go, team. Hold that. Isometric holds. A lot of isometric holds today. Doing great. Hitting these legs really well. Hitting our chest. Hitting our backs. Let's get it. Great job. Come on up. Wiggle it out. Awesome. Okay, 2 chair poses. 2 warrior ones each side. All right, squad. So let's step back with that right leg first. Get low into that lunge, half lunge or full lunge. Get it. Get down low, arms up high. Find that focal point in front of you. Chin up, focus on that focal point. Stable, keep yourself as stable and sturdy as possible. Step forward, great job. Step back with that left leg. Get low into that lunge. Nice and low here. Arms up and hold. Let's go. Hold. Good. Try your best to get as low as you can without the knee touching the floor. Step forward. Great job. Wiggle that leg out. Step back with that right leg. One more time each side here.
To Dr. JAZ.
Get low. Like Little John said. If you know that song. All right, arms up high. Let's get it. Good, step forward, awesome. All right, team, you're looking good. One more, here we go. Step back with that left leg. Get low into that lunge, arms up high. Let's go. Let's go. Looking good, team, looking good. All right, rest it up, good job, team, beautiful. Wiggle those legs out, let's bring ourselves down. Doing a great job, team. Time is looking good. Okay, we're gonna get into that push-up position. Remember, push-up, hold, child's pose. Doing that 3 cycles. Here we go, everybody up into that push-up position. Give me that 1 push-up, let's go. Hold. Knees up or knees down. Remember, you don't have to do the push-up, just hold the plank. Knees up or knees down. Good, knees down, transition into that child's pose. Great job, squad. Big reach forward. Looking good, beauties, looking good. Muy bien. Just testing your guys' Spanish a little bit today. All right, everybody bring it back up. That plank position, here we go. Bring it up and hold. Bring it up and hold. All right, give me that push up 1 time. Hold, abs tight, booty tight. Abs tight, booty tight, let's go. Let's go. All right, knees down, good job. Get that child's pose, big stretch out. Big stretch out. Very good, team. 1 more. Now 1 more here. A good couple, get a lot of sweat droplets here. Let's go, team, working hard, let's get it. All right, everybody back up. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, everybody up. Hold that plank. Looking good, squad, looking good. All right, give me that 1 push-up. Good, hold that plank, abs tight, booty tight, abs tight, booty tight, let's go. All right, beautiful, knees down, child's pose, stretch it out. Great job, squad. Excelente. Looking good, team, looking good. All right, come on forward. Carefully bring your beautiful selves up. All right, we're gonna get those lunge flies going again. Top of the mats here. You're doing an excellent job. You are all doing a magnificent job. Here we go. Let's take a step back with that left leg here. Get down nice and low into that lunge. Get that left hand down, open up to the right side. Try your best to keep your knee up on this one. Okay, but if you need to put that knee down, that's okay. Open it up. Try to look at those fingertips. Good, center yourself. Step forward, take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Step back with that right leg. Get nice and low into that lunge. Right hand down onto the mat. Open up to that left side, beauties. Look at those fingertips. Try to look at those fingertips. Looking good, squad, looking good. Excellent. Rotate it, stand up tall. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out, step back with that right leg, or sorry, left leg. Okay, bring it down low, left hand down, open up to that right side. We just did that side. What am I thinking? Beautiful team, beautiful, beautiful. All right, carefully rotate it back. Great job, stand up, take a deep breath in. Exhale out, step back with that right leg now. Do it this time. Okay, get low into that lunge if you can. Keep that knee up, but if you need to put that knee down, that's fine. Open it up and hold. Let's go, squad, let's go, keep holding. Doing great, doing great. All right, center yourself. Great job, step forward. All right, last one I have for you today. We're gonna get that, thread that needle, okay? Stretch out our shoulder, stretch out our back here, all along that back, okay? So get into that tabletop position, team. Carefully get that left hand through to that right side. And just try your best. You can bend that right arm, bend at the elbow, and just try your best to get that left shoulder onto the floor, left side of your head onto the floor, and just relax. Okay? Just try to feel that stretch. You're gonna feel that stretch in your left shoulder, in your left latissimus dorsi, the middle part of our back here, a little bit of that lumbar spine and oblique side on our left. Just let gravity do the work here. All right, beauties, good job. Carefully bring yourselves back. Okay, and then now get that right hand, get it over to that left side, and just let the gravity do the work. Put that right shoulder onto the floor, that right side of your head, right side of your face, carefully on the floor. You should feel that stretch in that right shoulder, in that right side of the back there. Doing great, beauties. Steady breathing here. All right, carefully bring it back. Great job, squad. Okay, I want everybody just to sit on down. Let's take a few deep breaths together here. Okay, just relax those legs, cross them if you want. Okay. Okay. Just give me a deep breath in. We're gonna get 3 deep breaths here. Big inhale. Exhale out. Let's go, big inhale. Exhale out. Keep those eyes closed. One more, big inhale. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And exhale out. All right, slowly open up those eyes. And great job today, team. What a good day. A lot of isometric stuff, but good total body movement. A lot of flexibility training with those yoga poses and the variations, the jazz it up variations that we threw in there. All right, team, have a great rest of your day wherever you're at. Remember, live Jazz It Up classes every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on YouTube. Hope to see you there or in another one of these recorded classes. All right, team, take care, love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Adios.